Okay, so I filmed an unboxing, which turned out to be kind of a fail because my camera wasn't angled correctly. So now I'm going to do an after unboxing in a way. So this is the Marcelo Burlon Casio GShock watch, and we have set the time, and the time was actually reset, but in the package it actually came operational and working with the time. And actually I didn't actually get it from the Casio site, but from sort of an eBay seller, but he brought it in good condition. The Marcelo Burlon wrist band thing here, which is to hold this, came in like a little plastic, and maybe it's actually operational because he made it operational because he still kind of opened the box and everything. And over here it's actually quite cool, and if you click the reverse button there will be a light, and then the light with this G-Shock is actually pretty cool. And if you see the design here, which is designed by Marcelo Burlon, is based on a coral snake design, and I've seen it on the internet about 2 months ago, and then a month ago we ordered it, and well, it came in today. But I think I might upload it tomorrow or something, but I don't think I will. I'll write in the description if I'm filming this today or tomorrow. Why am I saying this tomorrow? Sorry guys. I'll cut that out. Okay. I'll tell you if I filmed it yesterday or I just released it today, or I don't know. I'll tell you in the description. So if some of you don't actually have a G-Shock, you see these little lines here, you thought it was like a decoration. You might have thought it was a decoration thing, which was what I thought, and thought that there was like a little hole in the middle. But actually, the little spike is a tooth, and I'm not actually sure why they have some little holes here, but maybe there's a reason to that. Maybe just continue with it. And that's actually about it for the G-Shock, and later I'll show you, if you want, I'll leave 2 iCard videos for hidden videos, and one of them is for what was in the box and all of the genuinity, and also another one is the failed unboxing that I did. So well, that's all for now. And for this watch, you can't actually bend the wrist, but so if you hold it, you can hold it like this, which is actually pretty cool, you know. I really hope I don't need to take a second take with this, but then there will be a 3